Hi, I'm Casey from the DIY Playbook, and right now we're in my main bathroom. I already gave the floor some TLC with the Rust-Oleum Home paint line. Now it's time to work on this vanity. I'm using the Cabinet Transformations line from Rust-Oleum. There's no stripping, no sanding, and no priming for this project. With this product, you can transform the look of your cabinets easily and end up with a beautiful, durable finish. So let's get started. I bought one kit for my bathroom vanity, but if you're doing a larger space like a big kitchen, you'll want to check the box to see if you'll need more. My bathroom vanity is wood, but this product can also be used on laminate, metal, and melamine. The Cabinet Transformations kit comes with most of the supplies you'll need, but you'll also want to grab some 2-inch paint brushes, 1/4 inch nap rollers, painter's tape, drop cloths, gloves, and rags. First, let's prep the space. I take off the cabinet doors and drawers and bring them to my work table. I then remove the hinges and hardware and keep it organized in baggies. If your cabinets have any nicks or dents, now's a good time to fill them with plastic wood or painter's putty. Oh, and be sure to tape off the surrounding areas with painter's tape. Now let's clean and degloss the cabinets. The Cabinet Transformations deglosser prepares the surface for the bond coat. If you use this, you don't have to sand or prime, but it's critical that you do it right and you're super thorough. I put on gloves, fold my scrub pad in half, and apply the deglosser. I then scrub, scrub, scrub. If you're deglossing wood cabinetry like I am, follow the grain pattern as you go. The cabinet base is all deglossed and ready to paint. But before we get to that, it's time to work on these drawer fronts and cabinet fronts. So I'm going to follow the exact same steps. Let's keep going. After deglossing, wipe down the frames with a damp cloth, followed by a dry cloth to complete the cleaning process. Then let it all dry for about an hour. Yay, it's time to paint. I went with the color Bay Leaf. It's a grayish green color and it's super pretty. Rust-Oleum has lots of colors to choose from, and at select retailers you can even have them tinted to any color right at the paint counter. I mix up my paint and prep my work surface, using some 2x4s and screws to hold the cabinet doors for easier painting. I use a brush for the corners and a 1/4 inch nap roller for the larger areas. I quickly paint all of the drawers and doors and then head into the bathroom to paint the vanity base. I let it dry for 2 to 3 hours and then apply a second coat. With the second coat on, I let it dry for another 2 to 3 hours. The kit comes with an optional decorative glaze. I decide to skip this step and head right to step number 4. The vanity is looking so great, the 2 coats are on, they're dry, and now it's time for the most important step, the protective top coat. Now the key with this is to avoid overbrushing. The top coat dries quickly, so don't be tempted to go back and rebrush areas that have started to dry. You can use a brush or a 1/4 inch nap roller for this step. The protective top coat is important because it will make the cabinet super durable and stain and scratch resistant. You'll want to let the top coat dry for at least 12 hours. Then you can go ahead and reinstall the cabinets and drawers. In total, I would wait 24 hours before using the cabinets like normal. Wow, I can't get over how good the vanity looks. It's like it's brand new. Rust-Oleum's Cabinet Transformations kit is designed specifically for this purpose, so this gorgeous finish should look good for years to come. I was able to complete this project in a day, with no sanding, no stripping, or priming. Now that's a win in my book.